Okay, thank you very much for the introduction. Can everyone hear me okay? Okay, well, first of all, good morning, everyone. Thank you for choosing us to kind of start the conference off. We're really hoping to deliver what is going to be a informative session to you. What we're really going to do this morning is we're going to talk a little bit about workplace ergonomics, and specifically about workplace ergonomics at the Disney Company. And we're really hoping that when you walk out of here today, you'll have a little bit of an idea about some of our engineering successes and some of the best practices and lessons learned that we've had. So let's go ahead and get started. So with that, the agenda for today, I think a lot of you probably have a good idea about body motion injuries, but we're going to do a little bit of data review to kind of let you know why it's so important to us. We're going to spend a little bit of time talking about the challenge, and so how do we move from this idea of pixie dust wishes to real actual improvements that we have. We'll then spend a little bit of time talking about key roles within the organization. So how do you use teamwork to actually get changes put in place? So really what we're talking about here is risk assessment, developing and delivering and maintaining those ergonomic improvements. Next, we'll be spending a fair amount of time actually talking about ergo education and talk to you about how we educate our cast members and what level of education they receive. And then last, what I hope is going to be very interesting to you is some very select case studies. And so taking some examples within our parks and resorts and show you how we've actually made some of those improvements using some of our products we use today. So with that, I said a second ago we'd talk a little bit about data. This information on here really shouldn't be news to most of you. What it states on here is that Bureau of Labor Statistics, this data